If you have a senior dog, you need to get this. We know how crippling arthritis can be in senior dogs, and these Finn hip and joint chews are packed with key joint health ingredients like chondroitin, MSM, and glucosamine. I try and do everything I can to make my senior dogs comfortable. As you can see, my little girl loves them. They also contain green-lipped muscle, which is very beneficial for dogs.
No more.
Go ahead and grab some and give your dog's mobility a boost. I've put the link for them below in that orange cart, so just give it a click and you're on your way.